Hey, today I want to show a trick that can help you to enlarge your researches in any niche on Google or on YouTube if you want. So let's say you try to find some funny dogs videos and you've seen all of them and you're kind of bored of seeing all of them. So you go to Google Translate and you type funny dogs. I'll show you in a sec. So I type funny dogs and it gives me this in Russian. So I copy paste it, then I go to my research bar, I paste it, I delete this part, I research it, then guess what? You can see a lot of new videos we haven't seen before, and this work for any languages or any niche you want. So it's a real good trick. I hope it can help you to get more videos that other people haven't seen yet. It can really help you get more views, more subscribers. So I hope it helped you, and if it did, please subscribe and help me get more views and subscribers. So that was the trick. It's not that much of a big trick, but some of people know it but don't even use it. But I'm telling you, you should give it a try. It works for any niche. The thing is that after that you might have to translate those videos to make them more profitable. But if you use like Creative Commons, Common Creative you can make those videos yours if you know how. Because if you compile them and you review them and translate them, then those videos can become yours, and then you can make a lot of money with it. So I just want to finish with something. It's that I tried to make a lot of sales on Facebook and it never worked. And then I tried to send videos from YouTube straight to Facebook, and I did my first sale with that trick. So I'm telling you, people don't care about what you write or what you type down or any article or blogs unless you are already known. So to start with, you really need videos. Videos are the future. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. So Google Translate is really one of your best tools, and I recently used the Video Marketing Blaster, and it really works for me. It helps me grow up, and I was uploading like 20 videos. Now I can upload like 50 of them on one of my Common Creative channel. So thanks a lot. I'll come back with more topics probably related to SEO or YouTube marketing or video marketing. Thanks.